Gaining a million subscribers on any platform involves a combination of factors and cannot be achieved through a simple script.
Building a substantial following typically requires consistent effort, quality content, and engagement.
Here are some general guidelines. 1. Content quality.
Create high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's videos, articles, or any other form of content, make it compelling and relevant.
2. Consistency. Consistency is key.
Regularly publish content so that your audience knows when to expect new material.
This helps build anticipation and keeps your audience engaged.
3. Engagement.
Engage with your audience through comments, social media, or other platforms.
Responding to comments and interacting with your viewers fosters a sense of community and loyalty. 4. Social media presence. Leverage social media platforms to promote your content.
Share snippets, behind the scenes, and updates to attract new followers and drive traffic to your main platform.
5. Collaborate. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche.
This can introduce your content to new audiences and create mutually beneficial relationships.
6. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords, titles, and descriptions to improve discoverability. 7. Marketing strategies.
Develop marketing strategies to promote your content.
This could include paid advertising, email marketing, or other promotional efforts. 8. Unique value proposition.
Identify what makes your content unique and communicate that to your audience. Give them a reason to subscribe and continue watching.
9. Audience feedback. Pay attention to audience feedback.
Understand what your audience enjoys and adjust your content strategy accordingly.
10. Patience and persistence. Gaining a million subscribers takes time.
Be patient and persistent, continually refining your approach based on what works best for your audience.
The most important note:
there is not that guarantees a specific number of subscribers. Success is built over time through dedication and adaptation to the preferences of your audience. If you have a specific platform or context in mind, provide more details for a more tailored response.
Thank you for watching. Love what you're seeing?
Hit subscribe and join our awesome community.